What's going on, fellas? I've got a 2007 F150 here, and I'm going to use this truck to point out to you a few things about how the horn works. So to start with, I'm going to go ahead and show you where you can find the fuse and the relay. That's going to be over on the passenger side in the central junction box. Now I'm going to go ahead and give you a heads up right now. The relay on this thing is not serviceable, but I'm going to give you a few pointers as far as how to test it. So to get inside this junction box, you can put in a flathead screwdriver right down there and just kind of pry up like so, and this box will come out from the bottom there. Now the relay, the horn relay that you can't service, it's going to be this one right here. You can try tapping on it to see if it's stuck, but really not much you can do short of replacing the entire central junction box. Now there is a fuse. It's going to be fuse number 26. Which is a 20 amp fuse, and that's going to be over on the right hand side of the fuse box right here. So this is what provides power to the horn through that horn relay, and the horn relay is triggered by your horn switch over there. So let's go look at that, because I've got the wiring exposed, and I'll go ahead and point out to you the location of the horn. There's two horns actually. You can see them down through there. And both of those, they receive power on a yellow/light green wire that comes from the relay. Might be able to get to them a little easier through here. But moving on to the actual circuit, oftentimes what will break, causing the horn to go out, is your clock spring. You can see here I've got some trim removed so we can look at the connector. So to bypass the entire clock spring and everything, you can disconnect this connector right here. The dark blue line, which is right here all the way on the right hand side, that is what goes to the relay, and it provides a ground to trigger that relay. The green orange line right next to it, that is actually what provides the ground to the switch. So if you connect these two pins together, it should trigger that horn relay, provided that it's receiving power as well. So if your horn's not working, but you disconnect this and you connect those two pins together and the horn goes off, you know you've probably got a bad clock spring. If you connect those two pins and the horn does not go off, you'll want to check to see if you're getting power to the horns. So yeah, that just about covers it as far as troubleshooting the horn on the F150. I hope this was helpful to you guys. Be sure to let me know if you have any questions, or more importantly, any advice about troubleshooting the horn on the truck. Thanks.